Hello everybody, I'm so excited to show you my newest addition to my Cattleya collection, and this is the Potinara uh, Irene Feil? Feil? Something like that. Let's see. What's the name? Irene Feil Ruby Red. So definitely it's actually kind of looks like a ruby red color. It's really the camera is even having a hard time capturing the redness of this mini Cattleya. It's quite small, as you could see. I mean, these are already miniature orchids, but you know, this is quite a small plant. Could see like a couple of inches high from the root part, but the flowers is relatively big, as you could see there. I mean, I have another the Potinara what's the name of this one, eye candy sweet sensation, and it's the flower of this one is even larger if you would actually compare them. And the very distinct feature of this one is that it kind of does have a darker red lip, and you don't see it that well here, but the center part also has a yellow tinge in its lip, especially in the inner part. You closely look onto this Cattleya here. So there you go. Yeah. All right. So basically, the flower kind of reminds me of the Sophronitis coccinea, and it kind of does. Well, this is the blue nanta, or the species, not really the hybrid, the details of this flower, and yeah, they all kind of look alike this one, and as you could see here from its parentage, this one especially looks like the coccinea. But if you look further in its ancestors, it's 22.66 coccinea, and then 25% pumila, which are both miniature Cattleyas, and a lot of this Milleri is kind of a miniature too. So a lot of them are here, but the contribution of these two miniature Cattleyas had made this particular minicatt much smaller, but has the a very red flower, which is not so common with Cattleyas. These minicats are red mostly because of the coccinea parent, and thank God for that, because you know, because red is a really fine color, especially like this deep kind of red, and it kind of like look like ruby shoes, the ruby shoes in Wizard of Oz. They're very red. Yeah, we like it. I'm kind of into growing mini cats because they're small, but they bloom a lot. As a matter of fact, when I bought this, I was really interested in it because of its roundedness, because it's it's like tetraploid like features. Tetraploid meaning usually they have rounder flowers compared to their diploid relatives. And the exciting part here is that this new growth has buds in it. So yeah, it's gonna bloom soon. Too bad that this bud seemed to blasted, but I guess when they were transferring this plant, it dried up, got stressed and all that. See, So hopefully the new buds won't blast. All right. So basically that's all my my update is about, and yeah, really excited to show this again and perhaps give you another time-lapse video of this guy. All right. See you. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, I have this in flower too, which is the phalaenopsis tetraspis, and they're all in. I mean, a lot. Like there are other two buds in this branched spike. All right. Bye bye.